Tips to make money with affiliate marketing. Nobody can sit down in a car and drive like a pro their first time. You're bound to grind the gears and smack a light post or two. That's just the nature of inexperience. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You're not going to do well unless you have experience. Check out these tips from the experts and work to gain your experience. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. You can avoid hitting the proverbial light pole as long as you're working hard to learn about the business of being an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is unlike anything else on the web, so the tactics you use for other businesses may not work here. Use what you've learned in this video when success is your ultimate goal. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.